For me, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Beautiful evening to celebrate Jake and Pooja. We will start the evening very shortly. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी से प्रोग्राम चालू करेंगे. Please get a seat. Please बैठ जाइए और हम लोग बस बहुत जल्दी चालू करने वाले हैं।
अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है कि दिखता नहीं मगर कुछ है। अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है कि दिखता नहीं मगर कुछ है। फिदा हूँ मैं तो एक नजर बस, एक नजर बस, एक नजर तक के लगे भी तो ये और किधर अब और किधर दिल संग तेरे लग के सही वो भी लगे मुझको। गलत तुझ में अगर कुछ है, अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है। तुमसे किरण धूप की, तुमसे सियाह रात है।
And Jake to please come ahead and show their faces. Pooja, Jake आगे आ जाइए. We can't see you. There's going to be live music. बहुत कुछ होने वाला है और हम लोग अभी चालू करते हैं.
So, let's start with some hooting for the couple. Woo!
All right, with that, we will start today with a toast from Pooja and Jake's friend Lazat and Lamar, traveling all the way from Kazakhstan. Over to both of you.
Hey Rishi, please introduce yourself first.
Hi. My name is Rishi. I'm Pooja's friend from Bangalore. And
Hi, I'm Apurva, Pooja's adopted child.
all right, with that, over to you, Lazat, Lamar.
So glad to be today to witness a new chapter of my lovely Pooja and Jake, a new chapter in your life. Dear Pooja and Jake, today is such a special day, and I'm overjoyed to celebrate your beautiful union. Pooja, our journey together began in America in 2019. And from the very start, you became like family to me. I will never forget the promise I made to you back then to be here for your wedding day. And here I am today with my hubby, honored to witness the beginning of your new chapter. As a woman from Kazakhstan, a mother of 3 wonderful boys, and a passionate entrepreneur, I've learned the value of love, partnership, and resilience. Seeing the love you both share fills the heart with happiness and hope. You two are a perfect example of what a true partnership looks like, built on trust, respect, and a deep connection. Pooja, my dear friend, you're one of the most beautiful, kind, and inspiring people I've ever met. And Jake, you are her perfect match. Together, you will build a life full of love, laughter, and endless adventures. I also wanted to bring a special gift, as I'm from Kazakhstan, a country rich in culture and traditions. And in our traditions, we bring korzhen, which is this one. And it's full of sweets, treats to symbolize of wish for your life to always be sweet and joyful. Additionally, I want to gift you this felt yurt called Shanrak in Kazakhstan. In this yurt, I included symbols of you, your friends, and your guardian angel, who will always protect and guide you. And also, we put it our present in cash here. So this is just the beginning of, your new life. thank you for not forgetting. I hope this gift reminds you to create a family as wonderful and loving as the one you are both today. Congratulations, my dear friends. I'm so proud of you both, and I look forward to seeing your incredible life. So here is the sweets. I'm just showing everyone. I symbolize our best chocolate. Here is the wedding date, Pooja and Jake, with love from Kazakhstan. And also this magnetic with our national musical instrument called dombra. So also with love from Kazakhstan. And here is a lot of sweets, our hot drinks for your relatives and parents.
So a big round of applause for Lazat.
A big round of applause for Lazat and Lamar, please. Thank you, Lazat. Thank you, Lamar. Thank you for the thoughtful gifts, the wonderful speech. Thank you for being here all the way from Kazakhstan. Now, we invite all the kids in the house. जितने भी बच्चे हैं जो हाइट में छोटे हों या अपने आप को बच्चा समझते हों, जल्दी स्टेज पे आ जाइए. We have a game for you.
Sanju Singh, Sia, Duet, Ayushman, Ira, Harthak.
We have Tharthak.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Very beautiful. So now Jake Jiju will now be a part of your family, right? Jake Jiju अब आपकी family में आ गए हैं. तो what's your message for him?
अगर आपको जेक जीजू को कोई मैसेज देना हो,
तो आप क्या बोलोगे उनको?
it could be मुझको चॉकलेट चाहिए and it could be I want to like dance. Anything is possible. What is your message for him? कौन जाना चाहता है?
Any demand, anything.
Anything that you may want to tell. सोचिए सोचिए जल्दी सोचिए. अच्छा अच्छा आप में से जीजू आप में से जेक फूफा कौन किस किस क्या हुआ? Raise your hands please. ओके ओके कूल. अच्छा फूफा जी वाले इस साइड आ जाइए. फूफा जी वाले इस साइड आ जाइए. ओके अच्छा मौसा जी कितनों के हुए? अच्छा मौसा जी साथ वाले ठीक है परफेक्ट आ जाइए ठीक है.
Very nice.
तो आपको अगर जेक जीजू को जेक फूफा जी के लिए अगर आपके पास कोई मैसेज होता या कोई डिमांड होती लाइक इफ यू हैव टू डिमांड समथिंग इफ यू हैव टू सेंड हिम अ मैसेज तुम क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
Take beautiful toy.
You better be listening. Okay.
I want to take a beautiful toy.
He wants a beautiful toy from you. Okay. तो क्या चाहिए?
Toy car.
Toy car. Okay. Toy car. आप बताइए.
I want a toy building.
Toy building. Okay.
Toy doll.
Toy doll. So this entire section wants toys from Jake. Yeah. Okay. Sorted.
So now we'll ask Jake मौसा जी वाले बच्चों से.
Any books.
Books. Okay.
Same thing.
Same thing. मतलब this book or do you want toys? Book. Okay. Cool.
The famous thing of that country.
The famous thing from US. That's a big one. Dollars. All right.
Dollars.
Okay, now that is satisfied. सबको अपनी choices पसंद आए? पक्का? ठीक है. अब हम क्योंकि हमने कुछ मांगा है तो हमको कुछ देना भी पड़ेगा. करेक्ट? तो हम लोग एक गाने के लिए डांस करेंगे. ठीक? कुछ भी एक्शन चलेगा, कोई भी चलेगा. There are no wrong answers. Done? गाना हमारी चॉइस का. ठीक है? पक्का? 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 Okay, cool. Sing out, please.
धड़क चिटक धड़कन बोले जब तू छत पे आए नैन लड़ा के तुझसे मन मन
a lot to come. So up next, we have, well, this is a little bit of a controversial opinion. They claim to be Pooja's best friends and they want to perform a dance. Pooja, you're not allowed to say yes. Pooja, you're not allowed to say yes. Okay. So we have Anish, Shami, or Sharmili, and Nakul coming on stage with their dance performance. All right.
Take the one I made you pray. Ooh, I made you pray. Take the one I made you pray. Ooh, I made you pray. जुनू दीवानगी हर तरफ बेखुदी 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 हर तरफ हमको कहते सुपरमैन ऑन पेट्रो हैंडीकैप फ्रॉम AM to PM बंदे अच्छो स्टॉपिस्टैन ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਲਵ ਕਰਦਾ ਬੇਮਤਲਬ ਕਰਦਾ ਬਾਹੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਆ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਬਸ ਅੱਜ ਰਾਤ ਕੇ लिए ਸਾਡੀ ਤਾਂ ਦਿਲ ਸੀ ਹੈ ਅਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੀ ਫਿਦਾ ਬਾਹੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਆ ਸੋਣੀਏ ਬਸ ਅੱਜ ਰਾਤ ਕੇ लिए
सुबह होने ना दे साथ खोने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे तू मेरा हीरो तू मेरा हीरो
सुबह होने ना दे साथ होने ना दे एक दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे मैं तेरा हीरो हाँ हीरो मैं तेरा हीरो
I like it, I like it, I like it.
All I wanna say is that my love is gonna make your day. Baby, baby, it's the way the music makes your body shake. All I wanna say is that my love is gonna make your day. Baby, baby, it's the way the music makes your body shake.
Sikapote, istapote, istapote, sikapote. I like it. Istapote, sikapote, sikapote, istapote. I like it. Ekla pindi wikapote, ekla betsu markapote. Kalya gula bukapote, pisa pendo kalkapote. Ago igo istapote, parkante pote. Nanu super ranga. Nanu super ranga. Sikapote, istapote, istapote, sikapote.
Up next, we're going to call Pooja and Jake's parents on stage. Could we please have Jake's parents and Pooja's parents on stage, please?
पूजा के मम्मी पापा प्लीज आ जाइए.
स्टेज पे आ जाइए प्लीज. कुछ नहीं, बस एक क्विज करेंगे, टेंशन मत लीजिए.
छोटा मोटा
आपको
क्वेश्चन.
सारे आंसर पता है ऑलरेडी.
और जेक की पूजा की मम्मी कि जब आप जेक से पहली बार मिले तो आपके क्या फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस थे?
देख के
देख के तो बहुत अच्छा लगा बस फिदा हो गए नहीं
Smart boy.
Jake is getting a lot of compliments, huh? Very nice, very nice. Okay, so for both of you, when you met Pooja the first time, or over a call, in person, what were your first thoughts when you met Pooja?
Beautiful, and she has a beautiful heart.
My boy knocked it out of the park.
Love that, love that.
So next question is कि आप जेक को पूजा की किस चीज के लिए वार्न करना चाहती हैं कि मतलब क्या जिस चीज से पूजा को जेक को बच जाना चाहिए कि ऐसा पूजा क्या करती है
क्या करती है क्या करती है पूजा
मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा जो आपको पसंद नहीं आता तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जेक को बता देना चाहिए पहले से ही
वो जल्दी चिड़चिड़ा जाती है कोई बात नहीं हाँ, और क्या बताऊं मम्मी तुम ऐसे रहो मम्मी तुम ऐसे पहना करो बस यही है
जब हम को पैंट शर्ट वाले को कुर्ता पजामा मिला दी पता नहीं जैक को क्या करेगी
So, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, the same question to you, Uncle Auntie. What should Pooja be warned about Jake?
Jake snores really badly. I hope she gets some sleep.
I believe from what I've seen that she handles him pretty well. He can be stubborn. That's the long men. But I've really watched the two of them together, and she can handle it.
एक और लास्ट क्वेश्चन कि आप ऐसा क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे पूजा और जेक को एज अ दे आर न्यू कपल मतलब वो नए कपल हैं तो आप लोग को एक्सपीरियंस है आप लोग को पता है चीज़ों का तो आप लोग क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे पूजा और जेक को
मिल के रहो एक दूसरे का बात मानो एक दूसरे का साथ रहो
हम लोग 43rd ईयर में जा रहे हैं मैरिज से हम चाहेंगे 50 और 60 ईयर्स तक कंटिन्यूस करते रहें
Okay, Uncle Auntie, same question to you. What is your advice for this wonderful new couple?
I can't answer that question right now.
Would you have an advice?
Best advice I can give them is continue to love each other, trust each other, and each put the other first in your lives.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Uncle. Thank you so much.
Where is Anubhav?
Anubhav. All right. So, okay. So the next act, and I am looking forward to this a lot, is by our dear friend Sandeep. Sandeep, where are you? Sandeep, there he is. For our next act, we are calling Sandeep. Over to you.
What am I supposed to do, Rishi?
Just be fun.
Be fun. Okay. Good evening. Congratulations, Pooja. Jake. I'm supposed to do something to entertain you, I guess. So, I'll call Shabi on stage. Hey, Sharmili, quick. Anna.
Couple dance होगा तुम्हारा. कराएंगे तुम्हारा. रुक जाओ.
Okay, Shami, I'll tell you something about me that you probably don't know. I'm a good magician. I can perform a trick of magic right now.
I didn't know that.
You want to see it?
I want to say no, but okay.
Right. Just so that you guys think she's not in this with me, I'm gonna like randomly pick up somebody from the audience. So who wants to like participate in this magic trick? Why I can't see. It's too much light. Okay, we'll probably get somebody across. That one? Oh, you? Oh, right. I know. I don't know him. I probably would. He's Matthew. Okay. Okay. Hi. Matthew. Is that right?
That's right.
Hi. I'm Sandeep.
Nice to meet you.
How are you liking the wedding so far?
I'm loving it.
You're loving it. Are you in for some magic?
I would love to see some magic.
You would have to do it, or you want me to do it on you?
You do it on me.
Okay. Okay. So you married, single,
Married. Married.
happy?
Very.
Okay. You have your wife here too?
I do.
Can we call her here?
Yes, her name is, Whitney.
Is that with a W? Oh, you got it here. Right. Hey, Whitney. Whoever is married to Matthew, can you be on stage, please? Hey, guys, give it up for Whitney. Hey, so first of all, when did you get married to this guy?
In October.
This October, like last October? Hey, congratulations on the marriage. And why did you marry him? Like, what do you like the most in him?
I love his blue eyes.
Blue eyes. Okay, does he show a lot of love in his eyes for you?
Yes, the way he looks at me.
So what if we take his eyesight away? Everybody can see. Okay, cool. Even you can come up. Okay, so let's try to do this. Let's try to take his eyesight away. You sure, right? Okay. You got to watch my hand. Say Shah Rukh Khan ki jai.
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 Okay, fine. Shah Rukh Khan ki jai. And we're gonna do this, okay? Watch the hand carefully. Now close your eyes. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan ki jai. Perfect. Okay, do you believe this?
No.
Well, you can check for yourself. Do something that he would resist. Oh, you want to take the mic and do it one hand mic?
No. I'll smack him.
You mean on the face, right? Okay. It's a family show, guys. Please. Hey, go for it. Whoa. You actually did not see that coming, dude.
Not at all. I can't see anything coming right now.
Okay, Whitney. This is the new husband with no eyesight. You're good?
No, please, can you give it back?
Oh, you want it back? You sure?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm gonna give your eyesight back. Stop looking at me. That's better. Okay, one more time. Shah Rukh Khan ki jai.
Shah Rukh Khan ki jai.
Shah Rukh Khan ki jail nahi, jai.
Shah Rukh Khan ki jai.
Jail bete ko hi thi.
Chirip.
Hey, fine. Hey, close your eyes. You can't see my hand move, right? Hey. Go for it. Shah Rukh Khan ki jai.
I can see again.
You see again?
I can.
Is that your wife?
Yes. That is my wife.
Are you happy now?
Yes, but could you take away his speech?
Looks like you talk too much, man. I'm not gonna do that to him. Thank you. This was randomly done last minute while eating golgappas. We just wanted to add some part of it. They wanted to act for you. So I was roped in to do this so that we all could do something for you. You want to congratulate?
We did not want to.
But thank you for letting us be part of your wedding, so we wanted to be a part of this. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Well. Good evening, everyone. On this beautiful, beautiful night to celebrate Pooja and Jake. First of all, give a round of applause to this beautiful couple, everyone. Amazing. Amazing. I remember meeting Pooja during our interviews to go to the US for the fellowship program. We didn't get it in the first go, yeah. But second time we got it, and then we were there. And I went to sort of learn. I know Pooja's agenda was completely different to come to the US. Now that we can all see, but heartiest congratulations for that. So, on this beautiful note, I just want to start with this beautiful song to celebrate the wedding.
राम राम तेरा नाम पुकारे, राम राम तेरा नाम पुकारे, एक हुए दिन रैन हमारे, हमसे हम ही छिन गए, जब से देखे नैन दीवाने, सजदा
This is my favorite song, and I would like to sort of do this song for you guys. It's a beautiful song from this movie called Animal. Yeah? Are you able to hear the guitar by any chance? Yeah? Alright, okay.
देखा नहीं तूने अभी जादू हुआ क्या, दोनों जहाँ गए थे, तेरे बदन की रोशनी मेरे बदन में अभी गई उतर, छुआ तूने बह गया मैं हिरिए, जब तक किसी ने कभी ना किया इश्क ऐसा चाहिए, ऐसी दीवानगी से मैं चाहूँ तुझे, जैसे पहली दफा कोई पागल हुआ मैं दुआ से मैं उठा जो तेरा हुआ मैं up some cheers. Are you guys liking it or not? Come on. Now, okay. All right. Cool. Very special song for both of you. Especially for Jake.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and it can't sweep off of your feet, will the mouse remember the taste of my love? Will the eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will loving you till we're 70. Woo! Baby, my heart could still fall as I'll be 23. I'm thinking how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand. We are falling in love in you every single day. I just want to tell you I am. So honey now, take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh darling, place your head on my beating heart. Thinking out loud, maybe we found love right where we are. Maybe we found love right where we are. Maybe we found love right where we are. 1, 2, 3, go! Here we go! तेरी नजर में नई सी अदा है, नया सा नशा भी खुला है. कई दिनों से बंधा था बादल जो तेरे ही कानों में खुला है. मेरे बिना मैं रहने लगा हूँ, तेरी हवा में बहने लगा हूँ. जाने में कैसे तेरा हुआ हूँ. मुझे तो लगता है मैं शायद तेरी दिल की दुआ हूँ. On my right, everyone, I want you to sing, guys. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Aha. Yeah. Come on. तुझको जो पाया, आहा, तो जीना आया. अब ये लम्हा ठहर जाए, बस जाए हम दोनों के दरमिया. हो तुझको जो पाया, आहा, तो जीना आया. अब ये लम्हा ठहर जाए, थम जाए, बस जाए हम दोनों के दरमिया. Maybe we found love right where we are. Maybe we found love right where we are. Maybe we found love right where we are. All right. Congratulations to Jake and Pooja, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll do a nice quick medley for you guys. Yeah.
Yes.
ओ क्या बात है, आपकी है सर. इसीलिए तो बोल रहा हूँ.
Oh,
बरस जाएंगे साए बनाए मिटाए मैं कहूँ और तू आ जाए बहलाए और दूरी शर्माए तू साथ है वो दिन रात है परछाइयाँ बतलाए तू साथ है वो दिन रात है साया साया माही वे मेरी हर बात में साथ तू है माही वे मेरे सारे हालात तू everyone go on 1 2 3 माही वे माही वे ओ मुझ पे करम सरकार तेरा अर्ज तुझे कर दे मुझसे ही रिहा अब मुझको भी हो दीदार तेरा कर दे मुझे मुझसे ही रिहा मुझसे ही रिहा कहीं से कहीं को भी आओ बेवजह चले पूछे बिना किसी से हम मिले बंदिशे ना रही कोई बाकी तुम हो पास मेरे साथ मेरे हो तुम हो जितना महसूस करूँ तुमको ही पा ही लूँ तू ही रे तू ही रे तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं तू ही रे तू ही रे तू ही रे तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं जान रे जान रे इन सांसों में बस जा तू चांद रे आजा दिल की जमीन पे तू
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys.
Pooja has looked after me like. Am I audible? So, Pooja has looked after me like a mother looks after her child, and she has great maternal instincts. Good for you, Jake. No, not that she's gonna mommy you around, but when you do have kids, you know, that skill will come in handy. So, ever since I met Pooja, I've changed a lot. I've started, you know, I know how to keep a home. I know how to keep myself clean. I know how to wear good dresses. I know how to be kind to people. And I tried putting all of this into words, and I wrote a small poetry for Pooja. And so originally it was written as the princess to your knight, the knight to your princess, but for the sake of, better understanding, I've reversed the genders. Pooja was supposed to be the knight and I was supposed to be the princess in the story. But anyways, so here goes. I wasn't your average prince, more of a stumble than a stride, hair messed in the wind, always chasing things that I couldn't hold on to. And on a Christmas evening, in the cloud kingdom, I fell right into her. She was radiant, not in the way that queens are supposed to be though. It wasn't her gown, but the beauty of her voice. And to grace my luck, I just happened to hear her sing. That day, we walked back home together. Me in my storm of questions, her with a loving heart pointing towards places I didn't know I needed to see. Good, she said. You'll do good, she would add, every time I would ask what I'd ever do in my life. You'll need this, she would say, handing me a bag of things that didn't litter, a letter, some books, a moment to think, and lots of scented candles. I myself started carrying little things, a coin, a ribbon, some candy, some sweet, the last bite of bread, not much but enough to keep me alive. This one day I asked her, home is not the castle, is it? She shook her head. Home's where you stop running. And when the clouds rolled on, and when we both stood on the edges of everything, I knew she was right. Because home wasn't a place. It was her all along. Thank you.
Beautiful.
That was बहुत ही अच्छा था ये कविता. नाचना हो जाए? क्या कहते हो?
Okay, cool. Up next, we have a group of Bangalore rowdies coming on stage.
Woohoo!
Bangalore rowdies, please. Bani salpa, bega bani.
Let's hoot for them! Woohoo!
मुंह तो बंद करो अंकल.
मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें. तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें. दुम तार 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 दुम तार. ओ झूठी खाई थी कसम जो निभाई नहीं, झूठी खाई थी कसम जो निभाई नहीं, काटी रात मैंने खेतों में तू आई नहीं.
रे गजरा